Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start heading tag. This is going to be our fourth practical session. In this fourth practical session, I am going to discuss about heading tag and few other tags of chapter 1, that is HTML1 basics of HTML. So as we all know that there are 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest heading tag and H6 is the smallest heading tag. Heading supports align attribute, and align attribute supports 3 values, left, right and center, which align the heading tags to the left of the page, center of the page and right of the page. If we want to give colors to the heading tag, then we need to use font tag separately before heading tag. Means heading tag should be within font tag. Font color is equal to red, size whatever. Right. So just start the practical. H1 heading 1 and with H1. So this is heading 1. Now save it as .htm or HTML. I'm saving it on a desktop for my convenience. See the preview. This is heading. Open with Explorer. Standard is Internet Explorer. That is why I'm checking always in Internet Explorer, but you can check it in Chrome also, Firefox also. Heading 1. This is what heading tag is. Now then is heading 2. Now I'm going to write all the headings here, and then you just compare what is the difference between all those headings. Control V, Control V, Control V, 3, 4, then 5 and then 6. Just make it heading 2 and with heading 2. This I left here by fault. Give 1 forward slash. This is going to be heading 3. Make it heading 3. This heading 2. Then this heading 4. This heading 4. And then close here. Close here. Then heading 5. This one is heading 5. Close here. And this will be heading 6. Close here, and this will be heading 6 without closing. Save it, Alt tab, and then see the preview. See all the heading tags. Now align attribute. How we can use align attribute? So H1 space align is equal to, first make it right, and better to give double quote with this value, put it within double quote, save and see the preview. See, this heading is now right aligned to the page, and then again make it align. Heading 3 I'm going to align is equal to center, CNTER, center spelling, not CNTRE. so be careful when you are writing center value. See, third one, second one is left aligned. By default it remain in left alignment. Third one is, this one is center. So in such a way we can arrange it, align it. Now if I want to change the color, then use font color attribute red, angular bracket close, and see, end this with font again, so that this straight up means this heading 2 only appears in red color, rest of them will not. See, red. So in such a way we can use heading tag. If you want to give this heading underline, or if you want yes underline, then you can make it underline also. How you can make it underline? Either in the beginning only write U and maintain the hierarchy. After font write again and this U. Save and see the preview. See, underline. Right. Now again I am putting this U after font. See the difference and tell me the difference. Right now tell me the difference with H2. What is the difference between when underline was outside the font and underline I kept inside the font? What is the difference? Just tell me. Right, message me that what the difference you find. What the difference you found here? Underline, right? So can I tell you the difference? The difference is that when, see, again I am showing you, where is U? This U. I am just deleting from here and putting it over here, right? And this U also, to maintain hierarchy, at last I am putting it. Now see its preview. Now this is the preview of heading 1, right? And now again, now I am deleting this and putting it after this font. And here also I am again maintaining the hierarchy, and here I am putting this U, H2, H2 के बाद, ठीक है. See the difference and tell me the difference. I am conspicuously seeing the difference. Hana, it is showing me the difference, right? So here this, see the underline is in red color, and before it was not in red color, it was in black color because it was out of the font tag. That is why, right? Now it is taking the font attribute red color. So this is how we can use the align attribute with heading, and font also tag with heading tag we can use, and we can align the heading also and change the color of the heading also, right? So this one attribute only we can use with heading tag. Now then next after heading, come to the HR tag. HR horizontal. What is HR? HR is horizontal rule. HR is horizontal rule, and it is an empty element. No need to give end tag. Only one HR open tag only it contains. So HR horizontal rule, it creates an horizontal rule. So just save it with HR and see the preview. Open with Explorer. Horizontal rule. Where is horizontal rule? This one is horizontal rule. See here, this is horizontal rule, and by default it takes some shades. Here it is this shade, the ash color of shades it takes, right? And default color is dark ash color, gray color. Now if we want to remove shade, and what are the different attributes of HR? So HR attributes is first color is equal to okay, forget about color. First of all, see, HR width is equal to and height is equal to within double quote, and width also within double quote. So width and not height, sorry, size, width and size. So width is, suppose I am giving it we can give it in percent or pixel. In percent, suppose I am giving in in pixel I am giving suppose 50 only, or not 50, this is too less amount. I am giving 200. Pixel is 200, width is, and size, as I told you before, that size is thickness of and width is length of. So 200 pixel means it will take the length from left to right of the page, and size is its thickness from top to bottom, its thickness, right? That is size. So size I am giving suppose 20. Save it and see the preview. See, this is size is, what is given size? 20. This is 20 pixel, and width is given 200. So this is 200. Now if I am giving width is equal to not 200 but giving it 100, so see what is happening then. See, this is 100 pixel width is, and size I am giving suppose 5 only. See, size is 5. This is actual pixel which you are seeing, and that was zoom. This is actual pixel. Now again see, here it was 50 I had given, and this is width is suppose 200. Now see, right? So this is what size is, top to bottom. This is what size is, and left to right, this is what width is, length is. Now give it 500 and see 500. Give it 800 and see. Now I'm not be able to give exact value of this horizontal rule if I want to appear from left to right in whole the page. So in that case, what I can do, I can put the value in percentage. So I will give it, make it 100%. That's it. And size 10. Save and see. 100% means full page width left to right, and the size is given is 10. Width means thickness. This is what horizontal rule. And here shade is also appearing. See, shade is appearing in this horizontal rule. And the other attributes, width, size. One more is HR width, size, and color. Color is equal to green. See, this is, when you are applying color, then shades will not appear. Color is equal to green, right? So these are the attributes of HR tag: width, size, color. One more attribute which is left, that is no shade. So remove this color and give no shade attribute. Now shades is appearing here. Now just write no shade. Save and see. This is, now shade is not there. It is in flat color, gray color, dark gray color. That is horizontal rule. I think it is clear for you all. So keep practicing. As always I am telling you, keep practicing, because in the exam time now, lots of error from your side. We see while correcting the paper, lots of error from your side. So remember the code, remember the main tag, remember the attributes, remember the value of those attributes, with which tag, what attributes we can write, and what attributes takes which values. So this you need to remember in HTML. Then next is comment tag. What is comment tag? Comment tag is if we want to give some information to the coder, to the colleagues, right, to our whoever developing the code, whoever designing the page. If we want to share the information with them internally, personally, then we can use comment tag, right? So comment, how we can write comment, to write comment we use exclamation first. To write comment we use exclamation first following two dash symbol. So exclamation and two dash symbol, and then we write comment. Hannah, this is developed by the source code given in R.D. Chawla book, right? To make the colleague understand, so he may not or she may not be confused after seeing the code. So here suppose one code, one comments I have given here, and write down HTML, then is head, then is title. This is comment, and on title we cannot apply any formatting, means, and we cannot apply any alignment in the title section, right? So just write flat text. We can write only flat text in the title area, head, and then write body. So and then write any code font color is equal to red. This is what I want to show you. Then again end with font, right? And then end this body tag, and this body tag, and end this HTML also. Now see, this is the which tag, comment in HTML.htm desktop. See, open with Internet Explorer. See, this is what I want to show you, but whatever written in comment section, that is not appearing here. So whatever you will write in comment section, that is not going to render or parse from the browser. Browser will not read, browser will not render the contents, whatever you will write inside the comment tag. That is why comment is used for, but it is only for our purpose internally, right? To tell others, to give some information to others, our colleagues only, in the raw file only. This is HTML notepad file only, right? So this is not going to render in a browser, in any browser it is not going to render. You can check in some other browser also, it is not going to render. That is what comment is, right? Very effective this comment tag is also, and it is always asked in your exams, right? In board exams also and in internal exams also, about comment tag. So keep this in your mind, why comment is, what is the purpose of comment is. And this comment is used in some other programming languages also, like Java, C++, and Python also. In all other programming languages also we use this comment tag, and the purpose is same here. What the purpose is, this in HTML, same purpose is there also, right? Which fulfill our needs whenever required.